Hello, and welcome back to Let's Cook Things in Miss Jill's Parents' Kitchen. Welcome. Today, we're gonna make donuts. And this is so easy, and I'm so excited because all you need is biscuit dough. And you can buy it at any store. What you need, first and foremost, is buttermilk biscuit dough. There we go. Buttermilk biscuit dough. And you're gonna need some sugar, some cinnamon, whatever topping you wanna put on it. You can make a glaze. I just really like cinnamon sugar donuts. So what we do first is you roll out your biscuit dough. You pull it out of the little container. It will look like this. And you need to take something, these are kind of small, so I'm gonna make some mini donuts. And what you need is something small to make a hole in it like I did for these. And I'm just using this little cap because it's the only thing I could find that was this size. We're in a pandemic. And you're just gonna poke a hole in the middle. Real easy. And then you just punch it out. No problem. And then you have your donuts. What you need next is, most of you are gonna need to use like a frying pan or a Dutch oven, and you will need your parents' permission and help for this because you're gonna need to use oil. And it's not safe to use it without a grown-up supervision. So we happen to have a deep fryer. You need to set it to 350 degrees and it is ready to go. I went ahead and prepped it. You will need something to dry them on. Make sure that there's something underneath so that the grease doesn't get all over your counter. And what we're gonna do first is we're going to make our cinnamon sugar mixture so that when we fry the donuts, you just drop them straight into the cinnamon sugar and they're coated, ready to go. So I have some sugar and just some ground cinnamon. We're gonna take the sugar and we're gonna add it to this plate. I'm gonna do about, probably about 4 tablespoons of sugar. And if there's too much, I can find something else to do with it. And then we're gonna take our ground cinnamon and we are going to mix it into the sugar. So I'm not gonna measure the cinnamon, I'm just gonna kind of do it by my eye. You don't wanna do too much cinnamon because cinnamon can be very drying. My dogs are freaking out right now because somebody just came home. You hear him crying. He has a lot of feelings and emotions. Jackson, quit crying, guys. It's okay. Okay, that was a fun dog break. All right, so your mixture should look about like this. You might want to add a little more cinnamon than I did. That's fine. My dad just came home. You're gonna add a little bit more cinnamon. Say hi to the kids, Dad.
Hi.
Guess what I'm making for them?
Donuts.
Are you excited?
I'm excited.
All right. Now I'm just gonna do one to film because I don't have 1,000 hands. But we're gonna take our cinnamon sugar mixture and we're gonna put it over here by our fryer just so we can have easy access to it. And we're gonna take one of our little donuts, and you will need something to kind of stir the donut around, flip it. A lot of recipes and websites say to use a wooden chopstick, but we have this nifty little fryer thing that we use for like okra or fish or something. And we're just gonna use that. So because I don't wanna burn myself and I'm very scared of that actually happening, I'm just gonna put it onto the basket thing and we're gonna put it down in there. And there it goes. And it should kind of flip over on its own whenever it gets done on that one side. And if it doesn't, we will flip it and you'll be able to tell because that side will be brown. So we're just gonna watch it. You see how it's fluffing up already? The grease being so hot. Oh, and you can use any kind of oil. We use peanut oil, but you can use vegetable oil, or if you are looking for a healthy alternative, grapeseed oil is a great option for you, or coconut oil. You'll just need a lot more coconut oil than you will anything else. Okay, this is about ready to flip because these are so small. So I'm gonna flip it. Oh, do you see that, guys? That's so cool. And the oil reacting to the batter is just like any way of cooking. It makes it fluff, it makes it hard, it makes the chemical reactions within the bread happen so that it's edible and it's safe to cook and it's safe to eat. So there we go. It's looking good. It's almost done. See, this is so quick and easy, and it requires so little. And it's such a fun thing to do, like on an afternoon when you don't have anything else going on, because most of you probably finished your schoolwork by now, or you're very close. And if you need a fun idea, or I know Father's Day is coming up, this would be really fun to get with your, if you want to get with like a grown-up, another grown-up, and make your father figure some biscuits, some biscuit donuts. That'd be so fun, and they'd love it. My dad's so excited. If I can get this little guy flipped over, we'll check it. Oh yeah, that is done. Look how good that looks, guys. All right, we're gonna transfer it to the basket, to there, just to make sure that the grease kind of drips off just a little bit. And then we're going to flip it into the cinnamon sugar mixture. Are you ready? All right. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to kind of sprinkle it like that. And it's very hot. You need a grown-up to do this part for you for sure, because I don't want any of y'all to get hurt doing this. And you just do that for all of them. And it's so easy. This literally took like 5 minutes. I've been filming for 6 minutes, and all of this was and I had to show you everything. I had to show you how to do it, and we cooked it. All right, it is done. Look how good this looks. It is very hot, but that cinnamon sugar tastes so good. And I'm gonna let that cool for a second, and then I'm gonna try it. What you can do is take the middle parts that you poked out of the donut, like this little guy. You know what? Let's just fry one up and make little donut holes. Like, look how cute this is. We're gonna do that. I'm just gonna drop this one in. I need to help him get out of the bottom. There he goes. And this one should take just like a handful of seconds because it's such a small little guy. See how he's already getting done? He's getting close, just a little bit longer. And I can't stress this enough. Please, 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 please make sure you have a grown-up help you with this, because hot oil can be very dangerous, but with a grown-up, you could easily do this. Okay, he looks done. Look how cute. Oop. He rolled onto the counter. That's fine. I'm just gonna let him chill on the paper towel for a minute. Oop. And then we're gonna put him in the cinnamon sugar mixture. Roll him around a little bit. And there we go. Look how cute he is. I'm gonna taste this one. Oh my God, it's so good. 10 out of 10 recipe, so easy. I can't wait to make these all the time. Well, that's all I got for today. If you have any ideas of things that I should cook, because apparently this is something I do now, let me know and I'll try to make it. And we'll talk about the chemical reactions that happen when you do cook, because there's a chemical reaction in every single thing you cook, which is really cool that science is all around us. So until next time, I'm Miss Jill, and I'll see y'all later. Bye.